Hi guys, welcome back to the Digibird channel. In this video, we're going to talk about something really useful. Something that can help you recover deleted photos on your iPhone. You know what? Even the photos were permanently deleted from your iPhone. There are still ways to get them back. Alright, let's get started. So, a single wrong tap may delete a photo or video that means a lot to you. However, if you have updated to iOS 16 or later, there's nothing to worry about. With the update of iOS 16, there's a recently deleted album within the Photos app. Anything you delete to your photo library or albums will be moved to this recently deleted folder and stay there for another 30 days. During this period, you can easily recover your deleted iPhone photos and put them back. Alright, we just open the Photos and delete a photo from here. Okay, then tap the Albums button at the bottom. Scroll down a little bit. You can easily find this recently deleted album. So, tap it to open. If asked, you'll need to enter your passcode or use your Face ID to unlock it. And as you can see, all my recently deleted photos are here. Now, we just need to pick everything we want back and tap the Recover button. And that's it. It's very simple to get these deleted photos back to your iPhone's photo library. However, if you have a wrong tap here, you'll get them permanently deleted from the recently deleted album and from your iPhone. But, hope is not lost. The photos are permanently deleted, but they are still there, hiding on your iPhone's internal storage until their storage are taken up by other new data. So, if you have permanently deleted your photos, stop using your iPhone and do a deep scanning quickly. So, today, we'll introduce you a one-stop data recovery tool called iPhone Data Recovery. This efficient software is designed to recover a wide range of deleted files from iPhone and iPad, such as photos, messages, contacts, notes, call logs and more. It's very easy to use and enables you to recover your deleted iPhone photos without needing any backups. Simply download and install this tool on your computer. I'll drop the download link in the description below, or you can visit appgeeker.com and get it from the product list. Alright, whether your photos are permanently deleted or accidentally removed from the recently deleted album, just open this iOS data recovery tool on the desktop and then connect your iPhone. Once recognized, your device info will show up on the screen. So, now, simply click the Start Scan button right here. It will deeply scan your iPhone's internal memory and locate all recoverable photos. Just keep your device connected and wait for a few seconds. Once done, it's gonna load all scanning results and sort them by different categories. As you can see, this recovery software can recover your iPhone messages, contacts, photos, notes, and more. So, when you're able to, check the camera roll or other picture folders on the left menu. From the scanning results, you're able to preview these photos and select which ones you want to recover. Once you're done with the selection, click the Recover button at the bottom. A dialog box should pop up here, letting you export all these recovered iPhone photos to a local folder on your computer. You can open it to see all these pictures at any time you want. The process is very quick and straightforward. No technique skills are needed. Just connect your phone and do the scanning, pick everything you want, and then all your deleted photos are back. Another way to recover deleted photos on iPhone is by restoring from a backup. If you've enabled the iCloud backups on your iPhone, it automatically backs up your iPhone data over the internet, including your photos. Alternatively, if you have manually backed up your iPhone with iCloud before deleting the photos, you can also use the backup to restore the deleted photos. However, note that if you restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup, it erases all your current data and settings, and returns your iPhone to the last backup status. In other words, the backup data will replace the existing data on your phone. Everything added afterward will be overwritten. So, make sure you apply this method only when the deleted photos are truly important to you. Alright, to restore the lost photos, we're gonna erase this iPhone firstly. So, open your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Then tap the General. Scroll down a little and choose Transfer and Reset iPhone. On the next screen, select Erase all content and settings. To get started, it requires your Apple ID password to Verity. Alright, enter the password, and the erasing process should begin. This may take a while, just wait patiently. When it's done, your iPhone will restart and show the hello screen. Now, swipe up and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone again. Alright, go through the setup steps until you reach the Apps and Data screen. From here, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. You can also choose to restore from a computer backup if you have backed up your iPhone with your computer before. OK, to access the iCloud backups, your Apple ID and password are required here to sign in. Then, a list of all backups will appear on the screen. Make sure to choose the most relevant one that contains the photos you want back. Or, you might lose all data. After that, everything in that backup will be downloaded to your iPhone. This may take a few minutes, and even hours, depending on your network speed and how much data the backup has. When the restoration completes, the deleted photos should be back to your iPhone and reappear in the photo library. You can open the Photos app to see if they are recovered successfully. If you don't have any backups, or if your photos are deleted over 30 days, you can drag the slider back to our second method. The efficient iPhone data recovery software will help you get back all your deleted and lost photos. Alright, that's all we have for today. Hope you found this helpful. If you have more questions, please leave your comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like. Thank you for watching, see you.